First, switch on the circuit board. The indicator light will turn on once powered. Next, connect the CAN cable to the circuit board port. Ensure the blue wire is on the left, the white wire is on the right. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the circuit board port. Connect the other end to the corresponding port on the robot control cabinet. Open the welding operating system. Click Help. Enter the developer interface. Enter password 7890. Click Weld. Select the control method. Confirm with OK. Close the current page and return to Help. Enter Settings. Select Static IP address. Change the IP address. Change the gateway. Click Apply. Wait for the settings to complete. When settings are complete, click OK. The welding machine is now successfully initialized. Communication connection setup is complete.